Consistencies, Mr. Ola James TV. Now, we are talking about addition and subtraction of like fractions today. Now, like fractions are those fractions that have the same denominator. Like fraction has the same denominator. You can say it. They have the same denominator. This whole number, this is a fraction. This is whole number, this is a fraction. But we are doing the addition and the subtraction of them. And how are we going to go about it? It is very simple. Here, you just say this is the common denominator. So we have 8 here. Now, we take the denominator just the way they are. That is 3 plus 1. And this will give us 4 all over 8. And that can be what? 1 over 2. That is simple. Now, number 2, we just have to do the same thing we have done here. 11 is our denominator. Why? It is common. It is common to two of them. If it is not the same thing, then it's not a like fraction. It is common to two of them. Then the same thing you have here, 7 minus 4. And your final answer will be what? 7 minus 3. Sorry, 7 minus 4 is going to give us what? 3 all over 11. I believe you are getting it. Seriously, this is very, very cheap. It is very, very simple, and I'm not expecting any students to get it twisted, because it is actually very simple. Now, this is it here. Now, let us look at this one. 5 plus 3 over 4. 5 plus 3 over 4. The first thing we do is we try to make this one to a kind of fraction. A kind of fraction. Look at it. Now, to do it, we say subtract 1 from this 5. It gives you 4. So the one you subtract, make it fraction of 4. That is 4 over 4. 4 over 4 is 1. That is the one we have just subtracted from this one. If you do it, you convert it back. You can convert it back to this one. This is how to convert it back. You know what? Now we are having 4 odd number. 4 over 4. We can say 4 over 4 is what? 1. Then 1 plus 4 will give us 5. Or we use the improper fractions method. That means times here and plus here. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. That is 20 all over 4. And that will return to 5. I believe you get that. It's very simple. So we have not altered the 5 that we have here. It's still the same thing with this one. And I have put that here. So let us continue. So we just add plus 3 over 4. Plus 3 over 4. So what do we have here now? We'll be having our 4, our standing 4 as 4, then over. Now we have the 4 as the common denominator. Then here 4 plus 3. And therefore we are having ours as 4 whole number 7 over what? Over 4. So here we have a whole number and a mixed fraction. So there is no problem. Just need to say 4 goes in 7, 1. Add the 1 to this one, 5. Then remaining what? 3 whole over 4. Now take a look at this answer and look at this thing. So what will you have done that we have got your answer even without all this calculation? Is just to join two of them together. So therefore, I am going to say class, look at it, 5 plus 3 over 4, and it's not what? 5 whole number 3 over 4. So you have seen it. So we can now say, if you want to add any whole number and a fraction together, just join them together. Look at this one. 10 plus 7 over 10 is the same as 10 whole number 7 whole over 10. If you say 21 plus 5 all over 6, it's the same as 25 whole number 5 all over 6. I think you are convinced now that this is very simple. You don't need to go through this way and to get your answer. You can just join the two of them together. That is that. Now, class, look at it. It is not like that in the case of minus. It is not like that in the case of minus. In the case of minus, you have to go through this way. You go through these steps. You have to go through these steps. You cannot do it. You cannot say, is that no. You have to go through these steps. So, what are you going to do now? You do the same thing. That is 6 odd number. Now, make the one you have removed from here. You know, we remove 1 from here. That's why we are getting the 6. Now, take the one you have removed from here. Turn it to the fraction of 23. That is 23 all over 23. I am proving this for you. That this is T7. This is T7. Now, minus 11 all over 23. So we have our 6 whole number, and the common denominator is 23. Then here we have 23 minus 11, and therefore our answer is what? 6 whole number. 23 minus 11 is going to give us 12 all over 23. And this is the answer for this one. It may not be very easy for you to get it straight, like you get this one straight. But you should know that you have to go through this step. That's why I have to take you through this one first. But if you have gone through this step, so there's no problem, you can get your answer. But just know that the shortest way to get your answer when you are adding them together is just to put two of them together as 5 whole number 3 over 4. That's the answer. Here, when it is minus, you can't do that. You need to go through these steps, through this process, and get your answer. Now, let's look at some of the advanced questions under this one. Advanced questions under this one. That means we go to number 5 now. All right. Talking about the advanced ones. Now, these are the questions we have here. Let us look at how this one will be solved. Now, this is very simple. Very simple. The whole number to the whole number, the fraction for the fraction. Now, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. That is 6. 6 whole number. Then you draw a line of division this way. The LCM is 13 because they are both 13. That is the common denominator. Then 11 minus 8. Therefore, our answer will be 8 whole number. Now, 11 minus 8 will give us what? That will definitely be 3 all over 13. This is how it goes. Now, let us look at this one too. Now, 11 whole number 2 over 3 minus 7. 11 whole number 2 over 3 minus 7. Don't let your mind go to the point where we have 6 whole number 3 over 3. No. We are not going to do that because already we have a number that can clear off the 7. 11 is bigger enough to clear off the 7. So what you just say is 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 will give us what? Definitely 4. Then we have our fraction here, 2 over 3. That's just it. So you don't need to stress yourself for anything because this one has no fraction that can do with the fraction. Let the whole number just do with the whole number and the fraction remains the way it is. Now let's go to the next one. Alright, the next one, we can see that we are having minus and plus here combined together. But the first thing is we need to rearrange. We need to rearrange because addition must come before subtraction. This is addition, then this is also addition. Addition 11 number 4 all over 15. Then minus 5 whole number 8 over 15. So our LCM here, we know them as 15 because that is the common denominator that is dealing with like fractions. Now, we have to say nothing is here, right? We can see, so we have 11 here. 11 minus 5 will give us 6. Yes, 11 minus 5 will give us 6. So now we take all the numerators up here. 7 plus 4 minus 8. And therefore our answer is staring at us already. Now we have 6 whole number. Yes, 4 plus 7 will give us 11. 11 minus 8 will give us 3. 3 all over what? 3 over 15. And you can still go back to repeat this one since 3 can go in. And 3 can actually divide 15. So we have 6 whole number. 3 goes in 3, 1, and 3 goes there, 5. So this is the final answer. Now let us look at this one. Very simple. Very simple. I would have loved to leave this one for you at home to solve it yourself and send the comment to me. But no, don't worry. I know you have a lot of this in your textbooks that you solve. Now let's look at this one. We have this plus this, that will give us 32. 32. Now 32 minus 19 or minus 13. I don't know, answer comes to my mouth before the question comes. Now 32 minus 13. Alright, I think that is 19. 19, then we have our line like this. 9 is the common denominator. So we have 2 up here, 2 plus. This one is 4, 4 minus 5. See, Mr. Ola James, why don't you rearrange here? We don't need to rearrange here because positive has come before negative according to our bed mass. According to our bed mass. Now, look at it. Positive addition that comes before subtraction here. So we don't need to subtract and rearrange, then we rearrange here. So now let us go. Here we have 19, then 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 minus 5, that is 1 over 9. And that is very simple. I think after this, you don't have any problem on addition and subtraction of like fraction. Again, If you don't understand, you can watch again and again and again and again until you get it right. If you have not gotten it right, please, you can call us on our number. Our number is there. You can call us on our number and we are ready to answer you ASAP. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. Press the notification button to get our video as soon as it's updated or uploaded. Thank you. God bless you.